I'd like to talk about something in the NASCAR Nationwide race from Iowa. Today it is May 18th, 2014. Now, granted, I watched it on DVR because I was watching the ARCA race first, which I knew would end, and I was DVRing it. So I picked it up and I was watching. Good race and all. You know, not a Sam Hornish or Joe Gibbs fan, but good race by them and the 22 car with Ryan Blaney. But of course, as a junior fan, I wanted one of the junior cars to win, especially Chase Elliott. But good run for him. Unfortunately, with the bad pit stops, him and Reagan Smith both run good, third and fourth. Reagan third, and Chase fourth. But something on the in-car camera caught my eye on Dylan Kvasniewski's car. It looked to me like he was shifting. You'd see him reach down to the gear shift. Now, it's possible the car was jumping out of gear and it was just an insurance. They will do that at times. You'll see a driver reach down, but he was doing it every time they were in car under green. It looked like he was shifting to me. Now, I'm not going to put his name in the description because I might say Dylan K because I don't know how to spell it. I'm not even sure which way he spells his first name, to be honest with you, but he was driving the 42 car in place of Kyle Larson, who was in Charlotte for the Cup weekend, which is fine, but did a good job, you know. But please put in the comments if you think he was shifting. I can't believe that Dale Jarrett and Andy Petree would have missed it. But maybe I'm wrong. I'm just curious. I did not watch any of the pre-race because I was watching ARCA. I basically, when it started, skimmed right to the pace lap. So, you know, I could be behind on that. So somebody put that in the comments. I'd appreciate it.